Hey guys, so I'm back today with another review video, and this is going to be from Lumerie Hair. I decided to go with an 8-inch bob, and this isn't the hair that I have on now. I just kept on the hair that I had on previously, so I wouldn't look crazy in this video with just like a headscarf or something. But anyway, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is show you the hair as it came to me. It came in a little purple bag like this, and so this is the hair. So I'm gonna have to like straighten it in a little bit and stuff. So it came a little mushed, but yeah, so the lace is still on. This is what the inside of the hair looks like. You have a decent amount of parting space. You have 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and start hot combing this hair just to get it a little more sleek, because you know it has a little poofiness right now still. So my main reason for using the hot comb was to get the little hump, because I can never really get the humps out that good when I use just a flat iron. So I'm just going to go ahead and let that heat up some more, and I'm just going to go ahead and work on this parting area. When I first got this hair, I was not happy with the density because I thought it looked a little bit too thin, but now that I have it on, I feel like it is a really nice natural density for me. It's not like, you know, usually when you want bobs, when you have a bob, you don't want something that's going to be super thick looking, because most people bobs are, you know, thinned out a little. They're not going to be something that's really like thick and dramatic. Like, it's going to be more on the, you know, this natural 150 type density. You don't probably want 200% density with something like this, because it's going to look weird. If you want long hair, sure, but not with a bob. I definitely do not see, I cannot see myself having like 200% density with this bob, because it'd be too much. It'd be really too much. I feel like this is some cute hair. I know that like my sister my older sister, she was in the military and she loves like bobs. She loves short hair, so she's probably gonna be like, pass me that wig when you're done with it, because it's really cute. It's just simple, it's chic, it's something that is easy to just put on and go, and you look put together. So that's what I love, like bobs and stuff like this. Like, you just instantly look put together no matter what. They're just really gorgeous. So let's go ahead and talk about the issues with this hair. I really haven't had any issues yet. I didn't have any shed hairs with this unit. I didn't have any tangling. I can't find any issues with this hair. I mean, it has nothing but real pros to me, like professional. It's easy to just put on and go. You don't have to glue it down if you don't want to, because this is a lace front wig and it has combs in the front and combs in the back, so you'll be able to attach it and feel secure throughout the day that nothing's going to happen to your hair, that nobody's going to be snatching your wig off. So yes, I definitely recommend this hair. For $77, you cannot beat that price. I think this is a good like beginner bob if you're just like looking into wigs and you want to get something that's really nice, just really chic, really easy. Like, this is easy hair. This is not hair you have to really do a lot of manipulation to, other than maybe straighten it. You can curl it, you can do whatever, but that's the most you should have to do to it to make it look really good and really put together. So all in all, I think Lumerie Hair did a really good job with this bob. I definitely will work with them again, and I definitely would get more hair from them, because at $77 you can't beat this. It's really good hair, and I just find it to be just really, like, it has movement, it has body. Like, I just like it. I really do like it. I like it a lot. So basically guys, that is all for now, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks again for watching.